Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RV Tips and Trips. Today I'm going to show you how I hook up my fifth wheel and what I do to ensure that the trailer is not going to separate from the truck by doing one simple test, and I do it each and every time before I pull off with my fifth wheel. Alright, and then I use a lock instead of a pin. This way nobody can fool with it when we're stopped somewhere. And don't forget to put your brake cable on. Gotta move that stuff. Now we'll retract all of the jacks, but I'm not going to pull in the extensions on the legs yet because we're going to do what's called a pull test. I do this each and every time, even though I physically look at the kingpin and I can see that it's locked. Now when I do the pull test and I got the jacks retracted, I don't pull these pads out. When I do the pull test, I lock the brakes on the trailer, and then I see that the truck can tug on the trailer without them separating, and I leave the jacks extended. I retract them up only a little bit, so they're just hovering over the ground or the pad if I'm using the pads. So if the trailer did separate from the truck during the test, that it won't fall and ruin the pickup box and the trailer. This way these feet will stop it. But don't leave anything to chance. I'm going to do a pull test, making sure that it stays locked. So I take the trailer brake gain all the way up to max, which is 10. Put that in gear, and then I engage the trailer brakes and slowly let go of the truck brakes, and the trailer stopped the truck and it didn't disconnect, so we're good to go. Don't forget to turn your trailer brake gain back down to where it was. Alright, so that's how you do the pull test. It's simple, it only takes a couple of minutes, but it's a worthwhile safety thing to do each and every time. So always ensure that the truck is still going to stay connected to the trailer by doing the pull test every time. I physically inspect it, and then I do the pull test. It passes the pull test, I can drive away with confidence. Okay, until next time. Happy camping. Bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.